ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮೆನೋಪಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮೆನೋಪಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು 45ರಿಂದ 55 ವರ್ಷದ ತನಕ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ 45ಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 55ಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮೆನೋಪಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಅ ವುಮನ್ ಗೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಶಿ ಲೂಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್, ಹೌ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಸೊ ಮೆನೋಪಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಷನಲ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪ್ಯೂಬರ್ಟಿ ಹೇಗೋ ಮೆನೋಪಾಸು ಹಾಗೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಷನ್ and a woman's identity is shifting, it is changing. So after puberty till menopause, the body is known for its reproductive ability, but ivaga once menopause is done, you are no longer useful in the terms of reproduction, but what you are going to gain is you have become much wiser, you know a lot more, and ivaga you have a sense of creating your own identity. This is not the end of something, this is the beginning of a wiser era where new thoughts, new ambitions, you can start working on yourself. It is never too late to create an identity for yourself, right? So menopause alli ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ups and downs ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ, and even the kids are coming to an age where they can be independent, right? So this is your life that you can shape in the way you want, and for you to be able to sail through this emotional roller coaster, it is very important that you stay balanced. Yavag need idanna you can pass with flying colors, with emotional stability, you will see that eshtond opportunities ide, maybe career wise, maybe family wise, maybe your own health wise, maybe you want to travel. There is so much more to life than just earning money. So open up your possibilities. Only you can do that if you're emotionally balanced, and that doesn't happen overnight. So that is why you need to work on yourself. You see any signs, you see anything, be prepared for it. Yes, they say 40 is the new 20. I would say like any profession for that matter, once after 45 years you are well oriented with your job or profession. Many people, most often they get promotions at that age, they become a CEO of the company at that age, or they will be making their own they will be a founder of their own organization in whichever field they are. I think nowadays where the women empowerment is happening so much, I think there is this menopause terminology stands only for the reproductive health. Definitely so many women today, we are seeing the business women, even in the health field, where any field, women are making an excellent progress, and usually that happens after 40 because you are very well experienced, you know how the world is, and you are even free from your kids' responsibility. I think that here you need to have a very good emotional understanding of yourself, and if there is any problem, definitely there is no problem in seeking the expert health advice so that you can achieve more. Thank you.